हेलो ऑल। आज के वीडियो में हम ऐसे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो हर इंटरव्यू में पूछे जाते हैं। सो बेसिकली हम यहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टर के रोल के बारे में और या फिर उसके रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आप अगर मैनुअल टेस्टर हो या फिर ऑटोमेशन टेस्टर हो तो आपको इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे टैकल करना है या फिर उस क्वेश्चंस को कैसे आंसर करना है, तो ये आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो पहला क्वेश्चन जो है वो है, टेल मी समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट मेंशन्ड इन योर रिज्यूमे। तो जब ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो हमें समझ में ही नहीं आता कि मैं कैसे बताऊँ, अब सब कुछ तो मैंने रिज्यूमे में लिख दिया है। तो यहाँ पे आपका अप्रोच कैसे होना चाहिए? सो हियर यू नीड टू हाईलाइट relevant personal or professional details that isn't included in your resume. As a software tester, this could involve a unique skills and relevant hobby or additional certification. So here I will give you one example, like one thing which is not mentioned in my resume is my active participation in a software testing community, so where I contribute to open source projects. This experience has enhanced my understanding of various testing framework and has kept me updated with the latest industry trends. So these are the some examples which you can mention while answering the tell me something which is not mentioned in resume. So next is, tell me about yourself. So here your approach will be like, provide a brief overview of your professional background and focusing on your experience in a software testing, key skills and what drives you. So here one example, like I'm software tester with whatever the number of year experience in manual and automation testing. So I have worked on the diverse project or number of projects. Now here you can mention the range of the different applications or the softwares which you have tested, from web application like mobile apps or investment banking, telecom. So here the most expertise include in creating test cases, then identifying the bugs and ensuring the software quality through the rigorous testing. And here also you can tell that you are passionate about the finding innovative ways to improve testing processes. And what now you are looking, like I am looking for bring up my skills to dynamics team where I can contribute to deliver a high quality software. So these points you can include, or this might be your approach while answering this. Then what are the weakness? Here the approach will be like, choose a real weakness that you are actively working on and improving, and also explain how you are addressing it and what are the different ways you are going through to tackle this weakness. So here the one example will be like, one area I have working on, it's managing my time effectiveness when juggling with the multiple testing project. I have been using the project management tool which helped me a lot to prioritize my task and set a realistic deadline. So it significantly improved my efficiency and helped me to organize even when handling the complex project. So here if possible you can give the example of like in previous projects when I am working on the multi in previous release or in previous whatever will be the release were there, on how many projects you were working and how you tell with the example which project management tool you have used and how you have prioritized the task. Then for the strength, so here also be honest while answering this, and the approach will be like, focus on the strength that is relevant with the testing and provide the example to support it. So here the one example will be like, one of my key strength is my attention in detail. So like example in previous project, as my strength is to attending or to studying in detail with that project. So here you have found one critical bug which is missed by the other team members, and why with the lead to improve the software overall quality. So by finding this critical bug on time and before the production, it helped to which will be impact on the huge loss of company. So my throughout approach of the testing, it ensures I can catch the smallest issue before they reach out to the production. Then the next and most important is why should we hire you. So for this, your approach will be emphasize your unique skills and expertise that align with the requirement of the tester's role. So here you should hire me. So here I will tell you one example. You should hire me because of my extensive expertise in both manual and automation testing, along with my strong problem solving skill. I have successfully identified and resolved complex issues in the past project, and my productive approach to testing ensures that software meets the high quality standard before it release, and I am confident that my skills and enthusiasm for testing will make a positive impact on your team. So here you must need to give your positive impact. So, and by giving some examples, like some real time examples which you have worked on your previous projects or the task, or by giving some examples of like deadlines. If you have achieved some tight deadlines and delivered your task on the time, you have to mention over there. Then the next will be why do you want to join us. So while answering this question, you have to showcase your positive approach to joining them and explain how this company is good for you, and how it is matching with your job skills, or the whatever will be the technical skills you have. So the approach will be show that you have researched the company and explain why you are excited about the opportunities to work there. So first, before attending any interview, search for the company's detail by searching their website or the different articles which are present on the internet. Go through it, then and make some notes related with that, and by taking the help of that you can tell your answer. So here I will give you one example, like I am impressed by your company's commitment to innovative and use the different cutting edge technologies in your software product. I am particularly interested in your focus on user centric design and quality assurance. I believe my background in the testing and passion for ensuring top notch software quality align perfectly with your company's values and goals. Then the use of star method for answering in the interview. So most of the times interviewer ask you some behavioral questions. So they will give you one situation, and at that time you have to tailor your answer or need to give the answer for this situational question. That at that time you have to use a star method. So what is mean by star? S means situation, T means task, A means action, and R means result. So for example, here I will give you one sample example. So the approach will be like star method to structure response in behavioral question. So can you describe the time when you found a critical bug in the software